Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We are finally getting started on the Suburban. Some of you guys have corrected me. The Yukon, whatever you want to call it. We got the LBZ donor, motor, transfer case, and a lot of other parts at my buddy's shop, which I still need to go get. But the Suburban is now parked in the garage. Got plenty of room back here, you know, for wheel storage in the back seat. But been doing way too much housework lately. I've been in this house for a few months and I'm finally sick of the housework and I'm done doing that for now, and I'm switching over to the Suburban project now that it's nice out and, you know, we can drive this truck. There's no salt on the ground in Ohio. But I'm gonna start this video off with pulling off the front end, taking off the grill, bumper, hood, and then I don't want to drain any fluids right now because I don't have any drain pans. It's actually Easter Sunday, so I cannot go get any of that stuff right now. So I am going to probably take off all this front end stuff and the wiring harness, and we will see how far we can get, but this is the start of the project. I don't think pulling it apart is going to take too long, but we will see what happens. Here we go.
I've been around the block a couple.
All right, YouTubers, we are back with the Suburban project. I got rid of the coolant out of, you know, the entire system. Actually had a pretty decent idea and it worked pretty well. I took my shop vac. So I took my shop vac down there and I turned it, or I moved this so it would blow air out of this instead of suck it in. And I hooked up the hose to the radiator hose, and then I also put it right here, and it blew air through the whole cooling system and shot everything out the bottom. So that was pretty cool. Pretty much collected all of the coolant. Didn't get any on the ground except this little bit right here. So pretty stoked with that. Next, I have to pull off the core support. I think that's going to be the big job for right now. Might take some of the, I don't know. I haven't decided if I want to take the fenders off or not. They're kind of a pain to get on and off. There's a ton of bolts on them. So we are going to focus on the core support right now. And then after that, I'm just going to try to get all the harness out. And I think pulling this motor isn't going to be that bad once the core support is out. And yeah, this shouldn't be too terrible. Let's get to it. We'll just pull it off and see what happens. Oh, God. Oh, it's coming off. Oh, we'll just leave it like that and get the wires.
It's like a table.
That's perfect.
It's got a tailgate for the front.
Yeah, a tailgate for my Suburban's got a tailgate. Oh, Mikey made it. This is how you do it, YouTube. Hey, Mike, I don't know what it's connected to. I don't know what this thing is.
Over here. I think it's just literally caught on these lines. Like it's just.
No, stop.
Like I think this one line over here is holding the whole thing up.
If you make this thing fall on me, Bailey, I'm gonna kill you.
You better hold that thing. I literally think this harness is holding it up.
Is it?
It looks like it. It's caught on this mount right here.
I think it's just balancing.
Yeah.
It's stuck on something.
Yeah, this harness, I think.
Oh, this line right here.
Oh.
I'll just cut it. All right, we're chopping her. It's probably gonna start spraying oil. Oh!
Now what's it on? This thing is just balancing
I
now.
think that's everything. Oh, that's plastic. Ha! Walk it out here. I don't know where to put it. Put it right here. That's cool. Perfect.
There you go.
We got her. All right, guys, core support is off. That actually was not as bad as I expected. There's a bunch of 10 mil bolts in this plate right here that's kind of annoying to get to. Body harness, like turn signals and stuff, are right there. Probably just gonna leave this right there. Got the wiring harness out of the fuse box, all taken apart. So the engine harness and ECU is up here. And hopefully all I need to do is unbolt the motor mounts behind this mess. This side will be easy. And then, oh, the AC lines are off. Heater core hoses are off. I'm pretty sure this is ready to be pulled out. Need to get under the truck and take off the rear drive shaft and front drive shaft too. And I don't know, probably unbolt the cross member so we can pull this thing out. But that is gonna be in the next video. So make sure you stay tuned to Nasty Nate right here.